KMLA ka Congress ke berkentup yuba pencengan NCM ubelong CEM ka KHDC Chief Whip ka Sorkar ba Ronnie V. Lingdo ba Kennedy C. Keriem ba Dr. Celestine Lingdo haka shipotrik unailar kilai kendo ikihe ka All India Congress Committee AICC nadu observer Mukul Wasnik baru General Secretary Pakmi ya ka jela Meghalaya ban pensngau ki halor ka jingdu menciem jonga Congress ban wan pai biang syakabor hau arja khatpra nakadau jonga jingbom la trikam ka Sorkar jela ka badan hapok ka jingelam Dr. Mukul Sangma ku Menteri Rangba Hashwa kania ka khandai trik nailar Menteri Rangba Dr. Mukul Sangma President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC Dr. Didi Lapang ka Working President ka Deborasi Marak baduba pencengan NCM kilai kendo i Rahul Gandhi Vice President ka AICC Badru ya Wasnik Ujoshi ka jinge kendo jong Mukul ba Lapang Deborah bat pa pencengan bat Rahul Gandhi ka lalong Paramarway bat ka bakham khluj haka jinge kendo ka deha pedang Rahul bat uba pencengan katkom ka jingtep ka bayo pedang ka ba pencengan rula kubur ka deha lor ka jingbom len ka jong u ya ka jing shisha kumbala kren hakinong yalam ka AICC hasilong ka artrik nailar ba pencengan klem da pendem tedong la yang hakinya kumbo klei man penrem ya ka Sorkar jela ka ba klem la ban a ka jing shakri ka pura shu paj ba jong ka jela kamtam ya kari khasi jantia.
Since my only duty is to brave on different issue as inspired by the people of the state. We have so many issues here we are discussing nowadays. Going in the issue of the traditional headman issue, going by the issue of Muda issue and approach to the 60 area without the consent of the councils. Going on the dual post issue which has been brought in, but which has not been applicable till now. So many issues. So my only duty to make my ICC leadership is to brief on this different issue. As we should discuss, we should understand what are the core agenda, what are the important policy, what are the important decision to be taken up by the state government. Then I think that is the very important thing. Change of leadership, there is no question as of now, but the point is let us discuss of the different agenda that the government has failed to fulfill the expectation of the people as of now. We are ready for the Congress. People, they are not against the Congress, but the agenda taken up at the level of the government. My only thing is I should brief to the AICC leader all the different different issue, agenda, policy taken by the government that the people they have lost their faith and confidence.
So you leave it to the AICC?
That is very important. Leave it to the wisdom of the AICC.
To decide on the leadership.
To decide on the issue raised by me.
On the leadership issue?
No, on the issue. As of now, they express the different issue that the government has failed to protect the interests of the people. As I told you in terms of Rangwashnam, Muda issue, and other issues. So the point is, if the government is not fulfilled, the expectation of the people, let the ICC decide.
Nakaliang uba pencengan hadian balayo kendo yu Rahul Ong ka jinge kren bat ka jinge kendo kalong ka baseso namar layo ban kendo Paramarway Henreyun ie kinong yelam ka AICC panai karai ka bakado lada kidon kamon banonra ye ka jingkela ka basngo kendet pat kalong bahaga ni ka jinge kendo ye kihe nang yelam Delhi u menteri ka Sorkar jela uba Preston Tensong ubala poilang hakate kanong ba uklem yo pat ban ye kendo satyai kihe ka AICC pat ka kendet boni mele ubala persang Paban yo long menteri Rangba ula kentaj ban kendo yakinong yelam ka MPCC kiwei ki MLA Henry la leit ban kendo pat ban sno tang yo Dr. Mukul Sangma ban chupen kan ma Wasnik aslong loong ka jingwan jongki ka dei ban tip halor ka jinglong jingman jong ka Congress pa karukom trikam jong ka hakani ka jela.
We are very satisfied with the discussion which we had so far. We are going back with all the confidence that based on the input which we have received, based on the experiences which our colleagues have shared from different parts of Meghalaya, we will be able to evolve a strategy to further strengthen the party in Meghalaya, to prepare ourselves for the forthcoming elections in Meghalaya. See,
there is a demand.
this exercise has been mainly with the purpose of building the organization. This exercise was mainly to listen to the views of all our colleagues working at different levels, and also to receive their suggestions as to how do we improve further, how do we strengthen our organizations further, and all the discussions which we have held, I have already told you, based on that, we will come up with an appropriate strategy to build the organization.
Henry Wasnik uklemethu lor ka baki MLA ki MDC ki nongkit kam nadu na ka PCC ki district pat block committee ki mahila ki youth congress komjoru na ki we ki kanon Henry kani ga jingle jung ki MLA shadali ka panshisha bakadon shalendat ya ka bamanta ngi hapan up ya ka rai jung ka president ka AICC ka Sonia Gandhi